Howdy everyone. We are taxiing out. Nice afternoon. It's about 4 o'clock around here. 70 degrees on the way to Rochelle, which is where we've been before. They do the skydiving there. They got a nice restaurant. So we brought the big kids with. Got Carson and Janae.
This is Janae's official debut. Now people don't think that like she's my real daughter because we look like sisters. But it's legit.
Mom, you should let me say that.
Aurora Ground, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie with hotel coming out of Skyhaven, VFR departure to the west.
November 771 Bravo Charlie, Aurora Ground, runway 27. Taxi via Alpha. Use caution for a Bethel remodel near the Skyhaven ramp, not time control.
27 via Alpha, got the Skyhawk in sight, 1 Bravo Charlie.
Aurora Tower, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie is ready to go runway 27.
Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, Aurora Tower, runway 27, line up in white.
Runway 27, line up in white, 1 BC.
Twin Cessna 1 Bravo Charlie, wind 130 at 4, straight out departure approved, runway 27 clear for takeoff.
Runway 27 clear for takeoff, 1 Bravo Charlie, thanks.
Alright, power's coming up.
Approach.
Everything's ready. Release the brakes. Power's looking good. Instruments are all looking good. Airspeed's aligned.
Lima Alpha's ready to take off on 27. We'll be staying in the pattern.
70. 80.
709 Lima Alpha, Aurora Tower, wind 120 at 3, make left close traffic, runway 27 clear for takeoff.
Left closed traffic for runway 27 cleared for takeoff. 9 Lima Alpha.
And we're in the air. Yellow Dapper's coming on.
Chicago approach, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, request flight following.
November 771 Bravo Charlie, squawk 5106 and ident.
5106 will ident 771 Bravo Charlie is 8 miles northwest of Aurora, climbing out of 3,500 going to Rochelle.
Altitude.
Usually I would climb up to 4,500 or higher, but...
November 197 Mike Charlie, turn left heading 120, intercept the 9 localizer.
Left 120 will intercept the 9 localizer.
So we leveled off at 3,500.
That VFR traffic 4 miles north of you. Still westbound, should be no factor for you now.
Okay, 095, thanks.
771 Bravo Charlie, your radar contact 10 miles west of Aurora at 3,500 feet, the altimeter 3011, and say your type aircraft.
3011 and 1 Bravo Charlie is a Cessna 310.
Thank you.
Rockford approach, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie's VFR at 3,700 going to Rochelle.
Number 771 Bravo Charlie, Rockford approach, roger. Rockford altimeter 3010, traffic 1 o'clock and 2 miles southbound 2,900 indicated.
1 Bravo Charlie looking.
1 Bravo Charlie, additional traffic 10 o'clock and 1 mile, 4,500 indicated, maneuvering.
1 Bravo Charlie looking.
At the 10 o'clock guy in sight.
1 BC has the 10 o'clock traffic in sight.
1 Bravo Charlie, roger.
You?
So set 3,500 in, vertical speed 200 feet down.
All traffic now is no factor for you. They are skydiving at Rochelle. You'll be able to reach them on the Unicom frequency. Radar service is terminated. Squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Is that us?
Yeah.
Squawk and VFR frequency change approved, 1 Bravo Charlie, thanks.
Skydive 1 traffic, so Cessna inbound from the east to east-southeast.
Skydive 1, we'll look for him.
November 17 Lima, contact Chicago approach on 133.5. Good day.
Frequencies, Rochelle. What do you think, Janae? Having fun?
Yeah,
Carson, you doing good?
like sleeping.
Carson can sleep anywhere.
Is 2 minutes, jumpers, 14,000 feet and below. Use caution. Skydiving Rochelle, 2 minutes.
2
2
minutes. 14.5.
When we're on the ground and you guys see the jumpers come down, it's crazy. There's like, I don't know how many there are going to be, but it looks like 20 of them, and they all just like come raining down around you. They're colorful like parachutes and stuff. It's pretty cool.
Rochelle traffic, Twin Cessna 771, Bravo Charlie is 12 miles to the west. Be setting up for a straight in runway 7, Rochelle. Let's do a quick little left turn here to get the gear down. Alrighty.
Like when it's kind of slowed down a little bit, that's when all the wheels came down.
We got gas, fuel pumps are on low, fuel on the main, undercarriage got 3 in the green, mixtures and props are all set nicely.
Let's do a flip.
Go inverted. Barrel roll.
Man, look how wet these fields are.
I know. They're flooded. I feel like everything's super green except for where they're planting.
Don't see any skydivers, do you?
No. Air landings lately have been so many.
Yeah, I would have liked to have flared that out just a little bit more.
I like the non-flare. I'm starting to figure out what I like. I like the fast, like non-floaty landing. Carson has no idea that we just landed. Hey, last time we were taking off here, they lost one of the skydivers. He floated over in the field somewhere.
Rochelle traffic, Twin Cessna 1, Bravo Charlie, clear the active Rochelle.
They were like, oh yeah, you guys can go or whatever. And we're like, I think we'll wait till we find out what that skydiver is. Because we didn't know if he had touched down or not.
Don't want to hit him.
No. Oh, they got a big old tent up. I've had that big old tent before. I don't think.
I'm so hungry.
Wind calm. Look at that suck.
If we can get in here. In between these guys.
The helicopter. Rotor's going. Blade's going, whatever.
I'm talking about between the two fixed wings.
Good.